goes very fast, 13 to 15 kilometers per hour, I think. And the battery for the remote, it comes with it, so you don't need to go and buy a battery for it. Now we'll get to the basics. To get the battery, this is a rechargeable battery and the wire came with this. And to get it open, you just remove the single Phillips screw. Come on. And then you lift it up and then it will expose the battery. And then when you want to charge it, you just put those two together and plug it into a plug socket. Like that. But I'm not going to charge it now because it takes 4 to 4.5 hours to charge. And the remote is quite simple to use. To move, you pull this trigger back, and to go and to reverse, you push it forward. And to turn right, you push the wheel forward and backwards to go left. Once you are finished charging the battery, then you just reinstall it. And if you're getting this, I would recommend putting the wire on at the top of the battery, because then it's easier to get in. And then you just put back on the plate and then tighten the screw again. Now, this shell comes off if you need to fiddle with the internals, and I'm just gonna take it off and so I can show you easier to see what's inside. And once you have taken these clips off, then you can just take it off, and this is what it looks like. And here is the aerial, and these are the things that this rests on. And here is the suspension, and that just does that for when you're going harder. And these two suspension don't go together like the back suspension. These are both different, and here's the front bull bar and the back bull bar. And I think this is a wire for the motor, and the motor is in here. And here is the axle. And if that breaks, I don't think you can fix it, but it probably won't break. And that's all I think there is on the car. And if you take these 4 screws off, then it'll expose the internals and all that stuff. I haven't opened there, so I don't know what's in there. Oh, and my one of these broke on the front, so I just used this bit of wire instead. And to keep this on without it falling off, you need something to hold it on. Because if you don't, it'll be like this. Whee! Now we'll go on to the remote to turn on the car. There's this switch here that you will flick, so it will turn on, and that's all I think that's on the car. And then to put the remote on, there's the switch here, and to go, you push the trigger forward, and to go back, you put it back. You put it forward. And to turn right, you push the wheel forward, and to go left, you go back. And I'll just show you how fast it goes now. Now if you're on tiles, you can make it do this. And that's the review of this RC car. Whee!